Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. This is actually the 11th video I've now made on my 2009 Jeep Wrangler. I hope you've had some time to check out my other ones. But in this video, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the rear light bulbs for the license plate. Now I actually live in Australia, so the license plate is in the middle of the car, just down in the bumper there. And to replace the light bulbs, it's fairly easy. All you're going to do is come down, there's two tabs, one either side, give them a squeeze like that. And then when you've got this stage, all you're going to do is turn that 90 degrees and it comes off. You can replace the bulbs and you can obviously put them back in. A little bit hard to do one-handed. And then once you've got the new bulb in, you just clip that in like that, nice and easy. Now the other thing you could do, which takes a bit more time, is actually unscrew the panel. Still relatively easy, just two Phillips head screws. And once they're undone, there's actually just a clip in the middle, so work your way towards the middle and pop that out. And now you'll see the electrical connections on the back there with the cable. Now there's a few different things that I've actually seen that you can put in there as well, so you may want to look at them just to accessorize. But like I say, just to replace the bulbs, you don't need to actually take that out. And there you go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the rear license plate light bulbs on a 2009 Jeep Wrangler with the Australian bumpers on. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.